Hello and welcome to the first video from tennismarkets.com. In this video I will talk about a strategy that I like. I use it on daily basis. It's probably one of my favorites. It's called Prematch trading, and what this means, it's you back and you lay a player before the start of the match. So this means that no points will be played while your money is at risk, making this a safe strategy. I would say that probably one of the safest strategy you can find in tennis trading. I recorded this video 16 minutes before the start of the match, and this is the semi-final between Andy Murray and Milos Raonic, played at Australian Open. This is a good example of how to use pre-match trading when having a stable market, and you can see that on the right side of the ladder. It only traded between 1.39 and 1.43. You can still profit from just a couple of ticks, but you can still profit from this. But let me explain what I did and what got me in this position. Night before the match, Andy Murray was trading between 1.39 and 1.4, same as these current prices. And I felt that's too low. I laid it and I left my back positions in the market at 1.41, 142, 143 and so on. And this is what I would recommend doing when trying to get a better price. So let's say let's take this example. You're trying to back Andy Murray at 142, a couple of hours or maybe a night before the match. You're trying to get the best position you can get. You're having $100 stake, and what I would do is I would split this stake into $25 stacks and place it at 1.42, 1.43, 1.44 and so on, because you never know how the price is going to move through the night and what positions you might get filled. So I'm currently having some unmatched position in the markets. I'm waiting for my lay at 1.39 to get filled. I should be right at the top of the queue. And let me recommend a great tool that Geekstoy have. Maybe the API, the other APIs also have it. I don't know. I haven't checked. It's called estimated queue position, and you can find that in the ladder layout. So what it does, it tells you where your money is in the queue position. It's a great tool, and I don't have it right now, but I do use it and I recommend it. There's still 12 minutes to the start of the match, and this is where I would look to sell my bets. If let's say I have a value position on Andy Murray a couple of hours before the match, and either I use large stakes or whatever. This is where I would look to. This is where I look to sell my bets. 10-15 minutes before the match. This is where the liquidity really picks up. You can see that my lay position is starting to get filled. There we go. Just a couple of hundreds left. So I still have a couple of unmatched positions in the market, and about 15 minutes till the match starts. So let me skip the video forward and see what else you can do. So the players are warming up. The match should start in a couple of minutes. I started to get filled in a couple of these back positions. I also selected to keep some of these positions if the market turns in play. I could hedge my position if I'm too worried about it, but I'm right at the top of the queue, so should be alright. So yeah, roughly 80 euros before the start of the match. No points have been played. Like I said, my money weren't at high risk at this time. And at this point I could back Andy Murray because I think he's gonna win, or play him because he's a cheap price, and I think he's gonna trade higher. Look to hedge at the higher price, or just enjoy the match with a nice healthy profit. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow tennismarkets.com. There's gonna be more content about this video, about this strategy, and some other strategies in the following weeks.